to keep my hands on myself.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is brought to you by Sephora Collection. As you guys all know, I am a Sephora Collection ambassador. Today's video, I am showing you guys how to do this bold lip for spring with Sephora's new 40 shades of lip stains, guys, which brings their lip stains collection to a full 90 shades. I'm not kidding. Look at this thing. It's a freaking pizza box. It's so cute. So this is the Sephora Collection cream lip stains with even more shades, delivering the hottest new shades right to you. It's so cute. It's an actual like pizza box, guys. Like, look at this. So awesome. So these are all 90 shades of the cream stain menu. There's a bunch of them. So what's in here is like, we have the pinks, the nudes, the berries, the metallics, the browns, the trend, and the red. Oops. Super cute. I just really wanted something, I wanted a red with a peachy undertone, and I got exactly that when I blended two of them together, which is super nice. The formula is amazing. I just love it. Anyways, the first few minutes of this video, like when it came to my base and stuff before bronzer and all that, I wasn't recording, so please forgive me. I did show you guys the products that I was using all throughout this video though, and they are all linked in the description box down below for you guys. Remember to always check out the description box. There's a bunch of stuff that you guys may not find on my socials anywhere else. Plus when I do tutorials, all that product stuff is down there. Everything though that I did use is available at Sephora, so go get yours, whatever you liked in here. I'm a fan of practically all of this stuff. I love the way this makeup look came out and everything in it and everything about it. But also don't forget to follow me on my social medias. They are linked down below or at the beginning credits of my videos, as always, per usual. And yeah, that's pretty much it, and I will see you guys at the end of this video, hopefully. If not, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. So as I said earlier, I totally forgot to record the base part of my makeup. Basically what I used as a primer is the Sephora Collection Beauty Amplifier. And then for foundation, I used the NARS Radiant Longwear Foundation. And for concealer, I decided to use the Sephora Collection Bright Future Concealers. And to set everything, I used my favorite powder ever, which is the Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. Moving on to bronzer, I'm going to be bronzing up my face with the Benefit Hoola Bronzer using this double-sided brush from Sephora Collection. All of the brushes I'm going to be using are from Sephora Collection's brush line. Now going into this Sephora Collection contour kit, I'm going to be taking this yellowy banana shade. I'm going to just be brightening up and cleaning up under my contour, and like I said, brightening up everywhere that I just want to brighten up and set a little bit more as well. And then I'm going into blush. This is the Tarte Partaaay blush that you get from the birthday gift at Sephora, and I'm going to just be using the same brush duo that I was using for bronzer. A lot of you guys have also been noticing that my tip of my nose has been looking a little bit pinky and a little bit more of a button round nose, and that is because I do add blush to the tip of my nose now. And it just gives it that like cutesy little button nose effect, like I said. For highlight, I'm using the Sephora Collection fan brush, and the highlight that I'm using is the Bobbi Brown Moon Glow highlight. I'm literally just drenching my face in this highlight. Going back to the contour kit, I'm going to be taking these two shades that I'm pointing to and adding this in the crease of my eye and somewhat swiping it all over my lid just to give it a little bit more color. This duo brush is also, again, from the Sephora Collection brush line. Now to set all of these powders on my face, I'm going to go back in with the Sephora Collection Beauty Amplifier, and it really does what it says, which is set and refresh. I wiped my lips from all of the excess makeup, and I'm using the Sephora Collection chapstick, the coconut flavor one. It's super great. My favorite chapstick ever right now. I'm obsessed. For mascara, I am just using the Sephora collection mascara as well. This is another thing that I'm obsessed with. Now, for the lip part, the most amazing PR package that I've ever had. I'm going to be picking 2 of the shades from the red portion of all of their 90 lip stains. I'm going to be using this shade, which is a little bit more dark, and adding in a much lighter peachy shade in the center just to make it a little bit more bold and stand outish. But anyways, this is the finished look. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys in my next video very soon. Thank you again so much to Sephora for sponsoring this video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!